Now, what if you could create multi-scene consistent characters with one prompt? Watch this.
In the world of online content, everything moves fast. And if you're a creator or coach, you feel it. Not because you're failing, but because the game changed. The answer isn't doing more. It's staying connected to your people, your truth, and intelligent systems. That's what actually cuts through the noise. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify who you already are, fam. Your higher self leads. The tools do the work.
All right, so what do you think? But before I show you how this is done, let me show you how I progressed to go there, because it took me a couple of tries to get it done. And the results, the journey is the destination, right? I want you to know how the process was so you can get to your desired outcome way faster without having to try too much, right? Okay, let's go. So once you are in HeyGen, you want to go to the, let me see, the projects, no, not the projects, the apps, or you can go down, you want to go down and you see a bunch of shortcuts to the tools you can use. And we want to use the Veo 3 avatar video. Then you're going to choose your avatar. I got a bunch of versions here, and I want to choose this one. I made this. I will show you in a minute how I did this one. So then I'm gonna describe my scene, including actions and dialogue. So this is what I want to have my first scene. Create a video with me standing on a racing track with racing cars driving by at high speed. And then I say, in the world of content, we coaches and creative entrepreneurs have to be faster. The video zooms in on my face at the end. So this is the first scene. The second scene is this one. Continue from previous scene, because we want to have a smooth transition from this scene to this, right? Continue from previous scene. Then you see me wearing a black, let me see. I want to have it looking like this. I want to have it look like this. Burgundy. Pseudo African elements on it. We say business can be wild sometimes, but staying creative and consistent in the AI age is key. Or should we say in the age of AI? That's a more American way, right? In the age of AI is key. So I want to have, in my previous test, I used a third version where I was saying, yeah, I come up with something else with a simulation, We might as well use automations, have our own automations and our own agents. But I run out of credits, I saw. I ran out of credits while testing it out. So I only have 2 scenes left. So I'm going to make only the 2 of those. Then you have to, you can decide if you want to have the generation or if you want to have it generate voice to match the video. And I want to have that too. If not, you can also just basically use one of your voices. You can also technically connect it to your 11 Labs voice if you have 11 Labs, but we're gonna use it as is. So HeyGen says you want to have your prompt describing exactly what you want, and that you shouldn't use too long prompts. Make it concise. Don't overdo it. With some people, they write 2 paragraphs in there, but they say it's it works better if you use prompts that are not too long. So now let's go. Using my using my two scenes left. We're gonna wait until it's generated. Okay, so it has generated the video. Let's check it out. Okay, so one thing I didn't mention before, it's the format. It uses the vertical format by default. So if you want to have a horizontal, the format for YouTube, for example, then you have to change it or before you generate the video, of course. So let's check it out. So this is not the generation that I was hoping for because we are not looking like this guy. I am not looking like this guy. What I'm saying, um, I want to have, so this was the first image that we gave it, right? And I don't know why it made this transition. So, and then we see here,
We coaches and creative entrepreneurs
the guy looks different.
have to be faster.
I have to figure out how to make that change. He looks like a cousin of mine more, more than myself. Okay. And then here it's too dark. It's way too saturated, way too sh high shadows. So this one is better here, the colors. So we have to change that. This was the second try. Also, the voice is not exactly the same. So let's see how we're gonna improve that.
So now we are back at it, and we will now learn from all of our mistakes, right? So here I am in ChatGPT. I used a prompt. I did refine the prompt later on. So you see me using two different prompts. I'm combining the best outcomes. But technically, this can be done by using a single prompt. And here, the first scene, by the way, I've used a image that I created with Nano Banana. Nano Banana was also the image creation source that I used for the other image that I used with the burgundy suit and the lions in the back. And here I am using two different kinds of source images. So this one is the one that I took with Nano Banana, and a reference image for myself, and then it's using another reference image that we had before in the other video as well. So here you see me switching with the two outcomes, two results from the prompt I'm using. Again, think about this is a script with 8 seconds per scene. So I put that in consideration in my prompt, also with all the details that I needed. And also, yeah, what I was doing this for, what is my audience, all these kind of things that would enhance your prompts, right? So think about that as well. So at this point, I am just refining the scene. Let me just go forward. So and now we are moving to scene 2. Here you want to mention that you want a transition if you do want a transition. So you can just write something like this, a cool transition, or be more specific about the transition that you want to have, or you can just mention that transitioning from previous scene. You could also do that like I did it in the previous video. I changed a little bit my style of giving prompts in these scenes because I learned that it also works doing the way I do it here. But again, be as specific as you can. So let's speed it up a bit, and then we are moving to scene number 3. Okay, cool transition. Scene number 3. Here we are going to the next cool Egyptian temple scene.
and I was really excited to see how that turns out. We I'm gonna tell you more about that in a second. Here, I try to be give the best kind of prompt as possible, also with these kind of mood, as also in scene one and scene two. Okay, scene three is coming to an end with the prompting, and I was just checking once again. And here, reminder, choose the right portrait that you want before going forward. Then you choose the voice. I chose the voice that was already
Hey
there,
there.
which is my improved 11 Labs voice that I improved in there. And generate, as you see right now, I had a little bit more credits available because as of now, I am an official ambassador of HeyGen. So I'm using the creator plan and I'm also an ambassador right now. So let's check it.
In the world of online content, everything moves fast. And if you're a creator or coach, you feel it. Not because you're failing, but because the game changed. The answer isn't doing more. It's staying connected to your people, your truth, and intelligent systems. That's what
And it's lagging. It's lagging.
actually cuts
But you see
through the
here,
noise.
the person is not exactly resembling
AI
me.
isn't here to
So
replace you. It's here to amplify
also
who you
this
already
scene is
are.
also not exactly how I would want it to be. So what I did here is, you know
Your
what,
higher
let me
self
just
lead.
do the same process again, but only generate two scenes, the two last scenes. So that was here the next video that I used with and the other image with the lions as the other look with the lions, as you see here. And I created another two scenes and then I chopped them together. I put them together and it was just easy because the two scenes were already done and the other first scenes were also already done. So I just put them together in the transition and it worked perfectly. Now you see, let's watch it again, how we created what we created at the end.
In the world of online content, everything moves fast. And if you're a creator or coach, you feel it. Not because you're failing, but because the game changed. The answer isn't doing more. It's staying connected to your people, your truth, and intelligent systems. That's what actually cuts through the noise. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify who you already are, fam. Your higher self leads. The tools do the work.
What you could also do is, let me go to this screen. So HeyGen told me what you could technically also do is go to the, let me see where it was. Go to generate AI videos, and then you choose the first and last starting the first image as a starting frame and a second image as the ending frame. This way you can have more control on where it starts and where it ends because we are also choosing or we are using Veo 3 here again. So here you have an additional option to use a prompt, also to choose the orientation and the background audio. But we will not do that right now, just to tell you an additional option, how you can have more control on these two things. But in my case, I think it was a better way because I already had the majority done to do it like I did here. So, so now you learn the full breakdown of it and you know how to skip the mistakes I did and just be faster with the whole process. I think HeyGen is a great tool to do all these things and they are just getting started. There's so much that is coming. I can't talk about it, but if you enjoyed it, if you want to see more of this, don't forget to subscribe. A lot of you are not subscribing yet. And yeah, leave a like for the algorithm and supporting us. Let us know about your experience with it in the comments, and hopefully see you soon in the next one. Also, pay attention to the podcast that we'll be uploading here regularly again soon. So, yeah, see you in the next one. Peace out. Jesse out. Ciao.